Amber Woods' thunderstorm vlog. We are getting some pretty good lightning out there. Huh. Oh, there we go. Got some good lightning over there. We really got some wood over on the north side. Let's sleep on over there. Or at least try. And there we go. Let me get my cord out of the way. And woo, there you go. Yeah, that was some good lightning there. Woo! This storm is so good. I think I better get out back onto the porch though. I'm going up onto the porch. Not gonna get soaked. I'm not gonna damage my phone. Because then I'll probably wind up needing a new camera, which I already say I need a camera anyway, but can't afford one. Can't exactly afford a new camera because I'm on limited income and yeah. Pay $400 for rent. Those can get extremely expensive. You have to forgive my sheer excitement. Oh yeah! Just got a good streak of lightning right there. I'm just moving around so that way I can get a little comfortable. You have to forgive me for moving around so much. But yeah, I can't believe I'm actually getting the chance to do this. Woo! Sitting outside watching a thunderstorm. Minus to say because I'm partially blind and yeah, I'm mostly blind in my left eye, but other than that, I also suffer from asthma and all that. Somebody loving them motorcycle. I love motorcycles too. Always have and I always will. Holy holy macaroni! I'm gonna kind of get a little scientific here, but what you're seeing is negative and positive ions trying to find a connection with each other. And what you're seeing as a result is a lightning. love my science. The positive and negatives are trying to find a specific path to meet up with each other. What you're seeing as results are these lightning flashes. Yes, I am a science nut. I can't help it. Ooh, tell me I got that. Woo! That is my door, the screen door to the porch. Moving all on its own. Ah, we finally got some thunder going. Yeah, I'm going to upload this video up onto my YouTube for the first time. So I am truly excited about this. This is absolutely my first time actually doing this. Oh my god! Yes, I got that! That was beautiful. Ouch. I just popped my knee and that hurt. Holy macaroni though. You know, when I was a little girl, I've always been taught that God is bullying. But you go through a lot of classes, science and that, and yeah. I love science and I love everything of. Whoop! Hold on. Let's get that. There we go. I think that just made it a whole lot more clearer. Ah, that breeze feels so good. Sitting out here watching the thunderstorm rolling in and having a fun time with the recording this. Hey, that raindrop cleaned up my camera pretty good there. Hello.
How is my in this?
I love thunderstorms.
What?
Yes! Like, oh. Well, I'm ending my vlog right now.